Now we are going to start installing an antenna on that end. So the way I'm going to show you step by step. So the way they have better reception inside for the modem 4G. See, we have the antenna here. I don't know who put the antenna inside. It's crazy. They should know better that those antennas are for outdoor. So we're going to unplug the equipment that is over here, and then we're going to rerun the cable and try to run it outside of the building. Okay, here I'm going to give you a little bit of theory, just in case. I'm going to tell you, depending on the location of your store. So here we have option 1, you're in the valley, you have the tower here. Option 2, you're on the mountain, and you have the tower here. And you have option 3, you're completely flat, so they will be the best option. So here, for instance, option 1, you are here, the tower is here. So what do? My suggestion would be just to create another tower that will be as high as this one, or try to maybe to put, instead of using a Omni, like this market, you can use maybe like some antenna that is going to be directional, and try to see if that works. Otherwise, the building a tower will be your best bet. Here, in this case, you're here. You can maybe do the same thing. Instead of using an Omni, you can put a directional antenna, like a parabola, like a directional antenna, going here and see how it goes. If everything goes smoothly, it should. I think it should be good. Otherwise, you have to maybe create a repeater here, or put maybe another antenna here and make a small wireless link to get the signal here. And here, this is the other option. So if you're here and you have the antenna outside, it will be good. So remember that when you're in these type of buildings, they are all concrete, or they are all concrete with metal roofing. It's going to be very difficult for the signal to get in. So that is why we're going to install the antenna. I'm going to show you the whole process. All right, we are unscrewing the outdoor antenna they put inside. So now all we have to do is just to unscrew those little screws, and then the connector that goes into the antenna, very easy, just screw it. It's hand tight, you don't have to use any special tool, and after that we may use that outside. So now we are inside of the warehouse, and we have to go up to the roof. So as you can see, we are going to use the little ladder that they have here, and we are going to try to make the hole on the wall. So you put it like that, and then just keep going. So here I'm using a Ryobi. So if you're outside of the United States, you want me to send you some tools, just let me know. I can send you anything, electronics or anything like that. Other than that, this tool is the HP Ryobi, and it's very powerful. So it's good enough, at least for this type of shops. It's good. HP is because it's high performance, just in case. Now after that, we are going to run the coax cable through the wall, and then we're going to make it run through the other side of the wall and make it go to the roof. So here, as you can see, I'm using the impact driver or the drill. I'm using the drill, I forgot. This is just to make a hole on the electric box, as you can see, so the way I can run the cable over there. So here I have my helper. He's helping me with that. So now, as you can see, we have snow, and I'm putting the bracket outside. So very easy. Well, you make a few holes, you put the anchor, and then the screw, 4 screws if you can, and then it will be firm and tight. So after that, as you can see, I have everything in place, the cable. So now I'm going to run the cable through the hole. So as you can see, I have another brand. Here I have a DeWalt mini impact driver, and I like it a lot. So it works very good. So now I am inside. I'm going to remove the old raceway with the old cable, and we're going to leave everything the way it should be. So now I'm using this amplifier here that you see over there. So one goes to the accelerator, that is the one on the top left that you see, and the other end goes to the cable that goes outside to the antenna. So I'm going to leave a small roll inside. Now, as you can see, this big cable, this is a thicker cable, at least that is what it comes with this small kit. I'm going to screw it in, and if you can, leave a loop so that way it will not be, you know, so tight. So if someone try to move something, it will not break. Here, as you can see, they have some supplies. So I'm using the supplies because in this store they allow me to do that. Otherwise, I will charge the customer, you know, for the supplies. So here with the zip ties, we're going to leave everything, you know, very neat, and that's it. So as you can see, we have the accelerated on the left. That is the cable modem, or kind of the cable modem is like a 4G modem, and that is how they get the connection. Some places they don't have another option to do that, but others they have it as a backup. So as you can see, everything, all the leftovers, we're going to cut them all. So we're going to clip them up so that way it will look neat, and that is how you do it. So make sure that everything is good. Now we're going up again, and make sure that you have to lock the roof lock door when you leave. Some places they have a lock already, so you have to ask for permission to the manager. And here is how you have the antenna here. Always I recommend put zip ties on everything, as you can see, so everything looks great. So I would put one more, but we have the scissor lift stuck on the snow, and that's it. But other than that, everything looks great. We have better signal than before. All right, as you can see, we put the hook that you see over there, and that's it. So now we're going down to the ladder that we have here, and ready to go home. As you can see, we have the hole over there. All the cable goes there and goes inside, and everything looks great. As you can see, the antenna has been installed. Everything looks great. Now we can go to the next customer.